Hi. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lisa. Definitely make sure you subscribe. For today, I have a kind of chit chat get ready with me. I haven't done this in a while, so I thought it would be fun. But before we get into the video, I just want to talk about today's sponsor, which is DIVASWIGS, and that's where my wig is from, because obviously I'm blonde right now. The wig came in this beautiful packaging. It's just a really sturdy white box with gold font. Anyways, and then the wig itself came in this beautiful silk bag which just says DIVASWIGS on there, and this is great to store your wig in. It also came with a hairbrush, which I haven't used yet. It came with some wig caps, and it came with this thing, and I've seen people use this but I don't know how to use it. But it's nice that I have it now, and I'll definitely figure out how to use this sometime. I think it's so your wig doesn't slip off, but I'm not exactly sure where to position. Oh my god, I can't say this word. I can never say this word. I don't know why. Position. Where to position. Yes, that's it. Where to position this on my head. I hate saying that word. Oh my god. So this is 100% Indian virgin hair. It's in the color 3 and then T613. 12 inches. I didn't pluck this at all. I just bleached the knots because the knots were bleached a little bit, but not as bleached as I wanted them to be. I actually really like this wig. I usually don't like short hair on me, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, but to be really honest, I feel like a bad bitch in it. I look like my name is like Ashley or like Rebecca. Like, hey, my name's Rebecca, like I'm Caucasian. But yeah, so that's where the hair is from. I will be styling this in a little bit and you'll see a little bit more. Definitely recommend this one. I will leave all the links down below for you so you can purchase it if you want, or just have a look on their website at the other wigs that they do have, because they have a lot of wigs. And yeah, let's get into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy.
You needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotion.
Okay, I have not put on a proper full face of makeup in a really long time, so I literally have no clue what I'm gonna go with, like what I'm doing. But what I do know is that I actually bought a new foundation and concealer yesterday, because clearly I'm way more tan than I was before. I went on vacation to Greece. If you want to see the vlog of that, I'll link it down below. But none of my makeup matches me anymore, so I got the Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation in Maple. I think this is gonna match me. I hope so. It might actually be a little too light. We'll see. And then I got the Too Faced Born This Way in Butterscotch. I used to have it in, I think, like medium beige or something. That was just way too light. So we'll see how this goes. Have not put on makeup, like a full face, like foundation and everything, in a really long time. So curious to see how this goes. Also don't know how my brows are gonna look, because obviously this hair is like really light and I don't have like blonde brow products or anything like lighter than dark brown. Just priming with the Cover FX blurring primer. While I do my brows, I'm just gonna start chatting. So first thing I want to talk about is okay, I have a couple things I want to talk about. Let's start with moving out. So I talk about this very often and it always changes. I always tell you something different. I was planning on moving out. I found something, didn't end up happening. This keeps happening, and right now I don't have any plans of moving out because I just haven't found anything that was perfect and that, you know, ended up actually going through, I guess. I am going to still have like an office area, hopefully at my brother's house in one of his bedrooms, because I really need it. Like, I just need a space that I can film in and work in and everything, and I can create better content. Like, I've been wanting this for months now. So hopefully I can get that done within a couple of weeks, maybe after vacation. I don't really know. The thing is, there's a carpet in that room and he needs to put in a laminate floor. So as soon as that floor is put in, I can pretty much buy some furniture, like a desk, dresser and everything, and start working in there. And I'll be able to create like really, I just have like a vision of how I want certain videos to look, especially like makeup videos and stuff. So hopefully I can do that, and I'll get some like new lighting. I just want to like up my game, maybe get a new lens or something for my camera. We'll see. I'm gonna keep my brows pretty light. I don't want it to be too dark, so I think it's gonna look kind of weird with this hair. Just gonna use the Too Faced concealer to carve out my brows. But yeah, I really just want to move out, either with my best friend or by myself. Like, I don't really mind either. And after summer, I'm gonna definitely get back to taking driver lessons, because my brother is back home and he has a car now. I'll be able to drive his car, because at first I was like, well, no one has a car around me that I can drive in, so why would I get my license right now if I can't even practice in anyone's car? But since my brother is home now, I will be able to practice in his. So definitely gonna get back on that after summer. Not sure if I like how my brow looks. I've been going for like a messy brow for the past couple of months. I'd say like past 2 months or something. I haven't really been going for like the Instagram brow, the ombre thing that I used to do. Like, it's definitely a lot more bushy, like fluffy. I never thought I was gonna do that because I just never liked how it looked on me, and I wasn't able to do it on myself. But I've definitely, this brow gel, the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel, literally is the only thing that can make my brows look good and like help me do that. But I just need to get it in a lighter color because I have it in like one of the darkest colors right now, and my natural hair has gotten very light, so like it's a little too much. So I need to get it in a lighter color so I can use this a bit less lightly, because now I use like a super light hand. Even this is almost too dark. Now I also need to get a new dip brow pomade because I have the same color in the pomade as the brow gel. I've been super into just natural makeup lately. Probably also because it's summer and it's like hot, and like I just don't want to be wearing like a bunch of foundation and makeup on my face because it's so hot. I'd rather wear something a little bit more natural. It kind of wears nice throughout the day because I just get so oily. I'd rather wear something very light that's just gonna wear nicely throughout the day than like a full face of like super thick product. I am curious to see how this foundation is though, because I've never tried it, but I heard it's really good for oily skin. I don't remember where I heard that. So it might actually be wrong, but I think someone said it in a video or like on someone's Instagram story. I can't remember. And I actually wanted to get the NARS Creamy Concealer, but I couldn't find a color that I liked because I didn't want it to be too light, but also not too dark. Like, I want a color like this. This is like a perfect color. The brows are done. Now I'm going to put on the foundation. Oh my god, I hope it matches me. This is the color that was like closest to my skin tone. So I hope it works out. Okay, I have no idea if this is gonna match me. I don't love the smell. I also don't hate it. The coverage is really nice. I don't know if this is my color. The color that I am, I feel like most foundations that would match me look pretty orange, and it's like I need more of like an olive tone. It's better than anything else that I own right now, so we'll just go with it. Let me look at it from up close. It does look really nice on my skin. Okay, and then I'm putting on this concealer. I love how this like yellow toned. I love yellow toned concealers for underneath my eyes. I love this Hourglass foundation brush for like blending out concealers or foundations. I've really been using a sponge lately, also because I don't currently own one that's like clean and like I can use with my foundation, so I'm probably gonna have to like buy one so I can do that again. Using the Makeup Geek Tawny Medium Skin Bronzer. And it's like on my nose. So I can use something more warm toned for bronzing, like this isn't doing it, but the bronzer that I usually use is like broken. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put it on anyways. This is the L'Oreal True Match powder in, I forgot the name. It's like the darkest color. I love the undertone this has. But I broke it, so I have to be very careful. My nose. Using the NARS Exposed Cheek Palette. Love this. I love this color right here. Just going to lightly put this in the cheeks. I think I'm going to head on to the eyes for now and then finish the face. I'm using the NARS Ignited eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to use this color down here. Just like pack it on the lid. I'm not going to do anything special. Like I just don't even know what I want to do, and I haven't worn makeup in so long, like a full face. I'm using the same brush to bring it down here to make kind of like a smoky eye look. Okay, my battery died, but we're back. Okay, what else I want to talk about? Oh yeah, I also want to talk about my health. So, if you don't know, I made a video about my eating disorder sometime last year, I think. Pretty sure that was the last year. I can't even remember when I did that. And since then, it's still been a huge struggle for me. But I feel like after my trip to Greece, like that was really like a moment for me to kind of clear my head and figure out how I'm going to live life, like what I want to get done this year, just like, you know, I don't know. But I'm trying to get back on a healthy lifestyle, eating enough, eating healthy, going to the gym and stuff like that. So that's what I'm trying to do. And a lot of people always ask me for videos on like what I eat and stuff like that. And I never wanted to do it because I wasn't healthy at all. But hopefully I can kind of get everything sorted out and create a healthy lifestyle for myself and then actually share those stuff with you. Because I do think it'll be really fun to like film videos like that. But I want to be able to actually show you what I eat and like have it be a good example instead of, you know, I don't know. I'm going to use this color right here. The gorgeous color, just putting it in the middle of my eye. My nail broke, by the way, but my nail tech is on vacation, so I'm gonna have to deal with it for the next couple weeks. Then to finish my face, I'm just gonna use the NYX Bear With Me setting spray. I'm gonna put on the Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter. I definitely need a new highlighter as well because I feel like most of my highlighters are a little too light now. I think I can get away with this one on my nose for two. Just like lightly pat it on since my face is a little wet. Let me do my freck. Just gonna draw my beauty spots. And then maybe do freckles, maybe not. I don't know. My skin looks really good from up close though. I'm literally just turning all my pimples into beauty spots because my ass has been breaking out, so trying to cover it up. Let me contour my nose a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna put on some lashes off camera. The ones I'm wearing are these that I got from AliExpress. Haven't worn these yet, don't know how they're gonna look, but we'll see. It doesn't say the name on there, so I don't, oh actually it does. D20. I'll try to leave a link down below to this pair. No idea how they're gonna look, but we'll see. Okay, the lashes are on. All we have to do is lips, so I'm going to put on the MAC lip liner and Cork. Overlining my lips a little. And then I'm using the L'Oreal I don't know what the name of this is, but it's in the color Explore. It's like a liquid lipstick, but it's like a super thin and light on, and I really love this. These are really comfortable on the lips, and it's not thick or anything. I quite like how this turned out. Yeah, I'm actually really happy with it. I like the hair, I like the makeup. It's so refreshing to be wearing like a full face of makeup again. I haven't done this in forever. Still not sure the foundation matches perfectly, but it's okay. This is the finished look. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also make sure to turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. If you want to keep up with my personal life, I will have my Instagram down below. Definitely make sure to follow me and hit me up because I love talking to you. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.